How to sign up for Shein affiliate program. It's pretty quick and an easy process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Shein affiliate program sign up. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but what you want to do is head over to the very first site. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on its official page. At the bottom left corner, the option of sign up will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on this page. So in order to sign up for Shein affiliate program, all you want to do is log in into your Shein account. So let me click on continue with Google. Tap on accept. Wait for a while for it to load once again. Tap on this checkbox and then click on accept. Now from these, you have to choose an account to confirm your eligibility, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can sign up for Shein affiliate program. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.